Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hotspot phone or router is active and broadcasting its SSID. This matters because a hidden network won't appear. Once done, make sure you have the exact network name and password written or copied, and decide if you need 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Next, on your laptop, you enable Wi-Fi and open the network list, or the network settings pane, so the available SSIDs populate and are ready for selection. You now pick the hotspot SSID from the laptop's Wi-Fi list and click Connect. Precision matters because one wrong character in the password prevents association. If available, toggle Show Password to confirm what you typed, then submit. Once connected, set the network profile to private if you trust the hotspot so file sharing behaves correctly. Choose Public to keep the laptop more locked down. Make sure the laptop acquires an IP via DHCP. If not, prepare to assign one manually. You finish by confirming internet access. Open a web page and glance at the network icon for signal strength and IP4 address. If pages don't load, first toggle the hotspot device off and on, then reconnect from the laptop. This clears many transient issues. If that fails, renew the laptop's DHCP lease or assign a static IP consistent with the hotspot subnet, confirm the band compatibility, and update Wi-Fi drivers. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves lingering connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.